Do you want to know the number one mistake or number one challenge the most of the Facebook marketer, most of the entrepreneurs are making? They are not setting their goals. If you see on my screen, I'm helping so many people. If you are somebody and if you want to get best result out of your marketing effort, whatever the promotion you are doing, the number one thing we need to decide on the goals कि बॉस हमें क्या आउटपुट चाहिए. Either we need lead, sales, brand awareness. There are so many objectives, and after working with thousands of people, thousands of entrepreneurs, I realized one thing here. Most of the people, most of the entrepreneur, even the digital marketers are making one mistake: not setting goal. If you are somebody looking for a 10x ROI or at least 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x ROI on your Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, or whatever marketing you are doing, first thing we need to set the goals. In this video, I will be describing like 4 to 5 different goals, and I will be giving formula to which goal you should choose whenever you do online marketing. Okay. Beside that one, if you see on my screen right now, there are so many people asking me question. Data, how to get quality lead? Quality lead in Facebook marketing in real estate industry by Anand Gupta. And somebody is having question like Imran Ansari, how to get best targeted audience for woman clothes business in is asked by Imran. There are so many questions I'm going to answer right now. But if you want to get amazing clarity on your marketing goal setting, then watch this video till the end. Okay. So if you believe कि बॉस जैसे कि लाइफ के अंदर बिजनेस के अंदर वी सेट द गोल्स जस्ट लाइक दैट वन देयर आर डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स you can set in the Facebook like brand awareness, traffic, video views, conversion ads. Then we have lead ad, we have the store widgets. So people ask me often, Datta, which goal should I choose? Okay, so let me take you on my screen quickly and let me explain, and I will tell you which goal you should choose. Let's go on my screen right now. So here we go. I'm sharing my screen, and yeah, I just selected my screen. Awesome. If you can see my screen, you might have seen so many of this. Basically, जैसे कि आप Facebook के अंदर different goals होते हैं, यहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ right now. Awesome. If you see here, there are different like brand awareness, consideration, conversion ads. There are so many goals. जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हो, awareness in the sense only brand awareness. There is no lead, no sales. Just like that on brand awareness, reach campaign. Just like big brands do the paid promotion. This is just like holding. There is no lead, no sales, only awareness. But in the second phase, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, consideration. Like you have the traffic ad. Like you can drive traffic to your website, your webinar, your e-commerce store, whatever might be doing. आपका जो कुछ भी website वहाँ पे traffic drive कर सकते हैं. Second है engagement. Like as you know, the organic reach has gone down. हम लोग paid campaign run करके engagement बढ़ा सकते हैं. App install है, video views campaign. You can like this is the video live if you might watching on the Facebook live or the YouTube. Video view campaign is there. And second part, most important thing is lead generation. Then we have messaging. Lead generation campaign in the sense without you can run lead ad on the Facebook or IG, Instagram without leaving Facebook. People can fill up the form. They can provide mobile number, name, email address without landing page. Okay, that is the part. And here is the very important part now, conversion. Like conversion in the sense, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे, this is basically conversion ad make you money. Because why? You tell Facebook, boss, मुझे lead चाहिए, मुझे sale चाहिए, या फिर I want appointment, I want sale, I want store visit, I want webinar registration. You tell Facebook, boss, I want conversion. Here Facebook use pixel code होता है. You can scale up like rapidly. And I personally focus 95% on conversion ad because this helped me get sales and leads. Beside this one, if you see here catalog sales, I'm not running that one. Store widget if you have local business like saloon or gym or anything like that one. But now some of might be having data ki which one should I choose? Do you have question that one ki boss? Which one should I choose? Type in comment box. If you believe that one, Data ki there are different audiences. Which one should I choose? Pramod, you can type in comment box. Like people who are watching Praveen, Sonali, just type in comment. आपको क्या लगता है? Which goal should you choose when you are getting started? Do you feel confused by looking at different objectives? So right now, I am going to tell you the ultimate formula, the ultimate strategy, because you and me, we have limited budget, we have limited funding, we are not millionaire, billionaire, where we can burn the money. So I'm going to tell you here, insider update, when you are getting started, when you are a small business owner, which goal you should choose. So let me take you on my screen quickly right now, and मैं आपको बताने वाला हूं. Here we go. So जैसे कि आप मेरा स्क्रीन देख रहे हो यहाँ पे, ओके यस, जैसे कि आप मेरा स्क्रीन देख पा रहे हो यहाँ पे, डू यू सी माई स्क्रीन, ऑल ऑफ यू? All of you see my screen right now. I want to tell you here, focus on these two goals. Which goals? Either lead generation when you are getting started, because this will help you get leads, and most 80% focus should be on conversion ad. You know why? Because guys, I'm telling you insider update, because you need to focus on conversion and lead generation ad. Reason? Because personally I am working with so many people and I realize we have limited budget, so we need either lead or sell. How many believe? One of my mentor Dan Kennedy says either we need lead or sales. Or guys, we need lead or sales, lead and sales. Everyone type in comment box if you believe that one. जैसे कि मैं आपको यहाँ पे दिखा रहा हूं right now, lead and sales. What we need? Lead and sales. For that one, in the Facebook आप क्या कर सकते हो? In the Facebook you can select conversion ad. Okay, so let me take some couple of the question here. Okay, where says, like, let me show you here. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे है, Pratik is having question. I need my advance money back. You are not replying to messages. I don't know guys what you are telling here. What money back? Ping me 1-to-1. What do you have? Audience for astrology. Okay, Parik. Okay, how to get perfect audience for astrology. So Sonali Manotra, if you want get perfect audience for astrology, so I teach in my Facebook funnel, actually my workshop, basically how to target customer persona. So basically one of my video or one of my workshop which I will be inviting you, basically whenever you want to target audience, you have to design customer persona. Sonali and all the members, like their age group, their interests, their habits, their problems, their challenges. You have to design that for either they are a business owner or like that, something like that one. And you definitely, you can check out tool called Ad Intelligence. Sonali, what I'm telling you, Sonali, are you there? I'm telling you one tool called Ad Intelligence, where you can find the interest. Okay, you can fund, but as I told you, you have to design customer persona, their pain, their frustration, their desire, their looks. Okay, and that I teach in my one of the workshop. Now, if anybody have a question here, Pawan Kotial. Pawan is having question, boss. Yes, sir. Okay, your teaching is making miracle. Great. So anyone have any question regarding online marketing, you can type in comment box. I will bring you on. Okay. Where's Parik? I don't know what you're talking about. You do not ping me on the WhatsApp. You can always email me at connect@dattatule.com. Okay. Connect@dattatule.com. You can email me there. Okay. So if you have any question, you can ping me there. Where I will be replying you if you have any question. Okay. So basically what I was talking about in the Facebook marketing or any kind of marketing, I was talking about, see, somebody asked me here this question, how to get best targeted audience for women clothes. Same formula, like same formula in the sense, you need to decide their number one thing, their age group, gender, profession, their habits, their interests, and definitely you can use tool like model your competition. That is the important part. And today's topic I was talking about, you need to set the goals. So what are the goals I was talking about? There are different goals, like as I told you, either you need a lead or sales. For that one, I'm telling you, in the Facebook there are different audience, like awareness campaign, traffic campaign, brand awareness campaign, then lead gen campaign, video ad campaign, then we have conversion ad, store visits. So just type in comment box. All of you are watching live here. I would request you, as an entrepreneur, we need lead and sales. What is, guys? Type in comment box. What we need? We need lead and sales to drive business, because without lead, I personally consider leads in the sense live blood of business. Lead and sales is the oxygen. So whatever the activity you are doing on the Facebook, online marketing, wherever you are doing, हमारा पूरा फोकस कहां पे होना चाहिए? Leads and sales. If you are watching on the YouTube or anybody, just share in the comment box below. What do you think about your number one challenge in the business? I will give 5 minutes more. Anyone, people watching live here, if you are an entrepreneur, आपको क्या लगता है? क्या लगता है? What is your one question, one burning problem in the business? Type in comment box. I would love to answer here. Yes, Sonali, definitely that's a good question here. Anyone, just type in comment box. We need Sonali. You are absolutely right. So if you are anybody, if you want me to answer that question, I will answer. Also, guys, I would like to personally welcome you for if you are somebody looking for breakthrough, you are looking for transformation. I would personally review and I would like to personally invite you for one of the workshop called High Performance Marketing or High Performance Facebook Ad and Funnel Workshop, which I do every Sunday. Basically, it's happening tomorrow. You might be watching live. You can click on the link below. Check out that one. Because I would personally review and I will personally give you the breakthrough. So you can go and check out. I would personally review. I will personally work with you and give the breakthrough. Also, if you love this video, if you love this Ask Datta show, which I have started to solve the real marketing problem, real Facebook ad problem, real sales problem, and give the breakthrough by practicing myself. Because I'm coaching right now more than thousands entrepreneur. I'm generating hundreds of leads every day and I have generated over 100,000 leads. Okay. If you are looking for that kind of any breakthrough, if you have any question, share in the comment box below. What do you think about this Ask Datta show? The real marketing solution by real problem for real problems by real entrepreneur. That is the important part. Okay, so definitely, Vyas. Okay, when I'm telling you, okay, you told me refund money, but now you are not replying. No, Vyas, I told you, Parik. I don't know. I don't remember you here, but you can reply me for particularly for me. Okay. So, guys, thank you very much. If you like this video, if you get some, if you are somebody looking for breakthrough, I'm telling you, you must set your marketing goal. That will help you to get amazing ROI. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. And if you watching on YouTube, click on the button below and subscribe right now. If you need any support, any help, email me at connect@dattatole.com. Okay, guys, you can email me at connect@dattatole.com or you can message on the Facebook. Thank you very much. Love you all. Take care and take massive action. See you live in the upcoming video. Thank you very much.